Find the first four terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 2 plus px to the power 9. So the first term is going to be 9c0, 2 to the power 9, px to the power 0. Then 9c1, 2 to the power 8, px to the power 1. Then 9c2, 2 to the power 7, px to the power 2. And the fourth term, 9c3, 2 to the power 6, px to the power 3. Right, now we're going to work these out. So 9c0 is 1, 2 to the power 9 is, let me just put that in the calculator, 512. So we've got 1 times 512 times 1, because px to the power 0 is 1. So that's just 512. Next, we've got 9c1, which is 9. We've got 2 to the power 8, which is 256. And we've got px to the power 1, which is px. The 9 times 256 is 2,304. So that's my second term. Next, we've got 9c2, which on my calculator is telling me that's 36. I've got 2 to the power 7, which is going to be 128. And then I've got the px squared, which is p squared x squared. The 36 times 128 is 4,608. And then the fourth term, the 9c3 is 84. The 2 to the power 6 is 64. And then the px cubed will be p cubed x cubed. The 84 times the 64 is 5,376. And there we go. Those are the first four terms of that expansion in terms of p. We're then told that the coefficient of the x cubed term, so that's this, that's the coefficient of the x cubed, is 84. Sorry, minus 84. So I can use this to work out p. I can divide both sides by the 5,376. Which gives me minus 1 over 64. And if I cube root both sides, I get minus 1/4. So that's the value of p. We're then told to find numerical values for the coefficient of the x term. Right, so the x term is, this is the coefficient of the x term, and the x squared term is this term. So let's do the x term first, which is 2,304 times p, which we now know is minus 1/4. Which gives minus 5 So this is the coefficient of the x term. And the x squared term will be 4,608 times p squared, which is 288. So that would be the coefficient of the x squared term.